Hi everyone, my name is Katin A. Ligayan and I will present to you my report. And my report is all about using, maintaining, and keeping safely the materials in nail care. So let's start. So introduction, proper handling and holding of nail care tools and equipment is crucial in ensuring the safety and hygiene of both the nail care technician and the client. It not only prevents accidents and injuries but also reduces the risk of infection and spread of bacteria and germs. In this lesson, we will explore the importance of handling nail care tools and equipment, properly discuss the way to hold them, and demonstrate their proper use. So, what is the importance of proper handling? So, number one is the hygiene. Handling tools properly helps maintain clean and sterile environment, reducing the risk of infection. So, hygiene is very important because you in proper handling, you will you gonna reduce the risk of infection like the bacteria. So, your tools, it should be always cleaned. So next is the safety. Certain tools such as cuticle nippers and nail clippers have sharp edges that can cause injuries if mishandled. So in using your materials like the nippers, it should be handled properly because it might cause injury to the client. Next is the durability. Handling tools and equipment in the correct manner helps prolong their lifespan. So, in using your materials, you have to take good care of your materials also. It should be placed in a secured let's say bag or box. And before you keep your materials, it should be cleaned. So, professionalism. Handling and holding of tools demonstrate professionalism and confidence. So, in using your materials, you should be professional. You should know how to use it properly. So, next is the proper way of handling and holding nail care tools and equipment. So, to ensure safe and effective use of nail care tools and equipment, follow these guidelines for proper handling and holding. So, number one is hold tools comfortably. Ensure a secure and comfortable grip on the tools to avoid spillage or mishaps. So, like for example, when you're holding a nipper, it should be handled properly. You should be comfortable because you might hit the the skin of the client, and you might, because nipper is very sharp, it has a sharp edge. And also when using this pusher, it should be handled properly also because it's also uh it has also sharp edge. And also this nail clipper, it should be also handled properly. So, number two is avoid cross-contamination. When using multiple tools during a nail care service, it is important to handle each tool separately to prevent cross-contamination. So, when you use your tools, it should be separated. So, not just to separate it, but you have to sterilize your tools before using to another client, and then after you use it to a client, you should clean it before using to another client because uh, the bacteria will gonna spread. So, number three is clean and disinfect regularly. Regularly clean and disinfect tools according to industry standards and guidelines. So, in cleaning, you should know how to properly clean your materials. So like this, you can wash it with soap, and you can also put some alcohol to disinfect your materials. Number 4 is store tools properly. After use, store tools in clean and dry conditions to prevent damage and maintain their integrity. So, in storing tools properly, after you wash your materials, it should be dried. You have to dry it with towel or tissue. And then place it to a proper storage. And in ensuring to prevent accidents, it should be wrapped with a clean towel or tissue and place it on your bag on the designated place. Okay. So proper use of tools. So nail clippers. Hold the nail clipper with a firm yet gentle grip. Position it parallel to the nail and cut straight across and avoiding sharp edges or corners. So in using nail clippers, it should be like this. As you can see on the picture given, it should be like this. Okay. So cuticle pusher. Hold the cuticle pusher near the rounded end, applying gentle pressure to push back the cuticles along the nail plate. Avoid excessive force to prevent injury. So this is the nail pusher. So you should be very careful on handling. Should be like this, because you might hit the client's skin. Next is nail file. Hold the nail file along its length in a comfortable grip. Start filing the nails from outer edges and towards the center in one direction. Avoid using back and forth sewing motion as it can weaken the nails. So in nail filing, this should not be like this, back and forth. It should be only one direction like this. Okay. Next is the cuticle nipper. Carefully place the nipper blades around the cuticle you want to remove, ensuring they're fully enclose the skin before squeezing. So before, this is the cuticle nipper. So if you will remove the cuticle, you have to ensure the safety like this. So, be careful not to hit the client's skin. Then you squeeze. Okay. So remember, it is important to keep hands and tools clean throughout the process. Sanitize tools between clients and follow proper hygiene protocols. In conclusion, proper handling and holding of nail care tools and equipment are essential for maintaining hygiene, safety, durability, and professionalism. By following the correct procedures, we can ensure a safe and successful nail care experience for both the technician and the client. So that's it. So thank you for watching and listening. I hope you have learned on my topic. Thank you and God bless.